This AI tool lets you create scroll-stopping YouTube thumbnails in 60 seconds. No Photoshop, no Canva, no skills needed. 3 months ago, I discovered Pixels, and it completely changed my game. This isn't just another design tool. It's specifically built for YouTube thumbnails using AI that's been trained exclusively on high-performing thumbnail data. While tools like Midjourney and DALL-E creates generic images, Pixels understands the psychology of what makes people click. Right now, go look at your last 5 uploaded videos and honestly ask yourself, do these thumbnails make you want to click? If the answer is no, let me show you exactly how this works. Instead of wrestling with complex design software, you simply tell Pixels what you want. For example, I typed, create a thumbnail showing a person underwater looking terrified while a massive shark approaches from behind. Within 30 seconds, I had a professional-looking thumbnail that would cost me $500 from a designer. But here's where it gets really interesting. Remember those viral thumbnails from Mr. Beast and Mark Robber with millions of views? Pixels has a recreate feature that lets you paste any YouTube link and automatically generates a similar thumbnail using proven formats that already work. You're not copying, you're learning from what's already been proven to drive clicks. The face swap feature blew my mind. I uploaded one selfie and now I can insert myself into any thumbnail scenario. Want to show yourself swimming with sharks like Mr. Beast? Done. Want to recreate that viral thumbnail where someone's shocked expression got 10 million views? You can do it in literally 2 clicks. Here's your second practical action. Pick one viral video in your niche right now. Copy that video's URL and think about how you could adapt that thumbnail concept for your content. This is your homework. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, cost. Professional thumbnail designers charge between $50 to $500 per thumbnail. Even if you're decent with Photoshop, you're still looking at 2 to 4 hours per thumbnail. With Pixels, you get 240 thumbnails per year on their basic plan for just $14 per month when billed annually. Do the math, that's less than 6 cents per thumbnail. But I want to be transparent with you about something. This isn't magic. Sometimes it takes a few generations to get exactly what you want, especially when adding text elements. The key is learning how to prompt effectively. After creating hundreds of thumbnails, I've discovered the perfect prompting structure. One feature that's been a game changer for me is the text integration. Most AI image generators struggle with text, but Pixels can add bold, eye-catching text that actually looks professional. I can say, add the text "shark attack" in bright yellow letters at the top, and it understands exactly what I need for maximum impact. The edit function is incredibly powerful. After generating a thumbnail, you can simply type what you want to change. Make the person look happier instead of scared. Add more dramatic lighting. It's like having a professional designer who instantly understands your feedback. The platform offers different inspiration weights when recreating thumbnails: low, medium, and high. High inspiration creates something very similar to the original, while low inspiration takes loose inspiration for something more unique. This gives you complete control over how original you want your content to be. Instead of creating one thumbnail per video, I now create 5 different versions and A/B test them. With Pixels' speed and cost effectiveness, this becomes feasible for the first time. I can test different emotions, colors, compositions, and text overlays to see what resonates with my audience. Pixels has an active Discord where creators share their best prompts, successful thumbnails, and optimization strategies. It's like having access to a mastermind group of thumbnail experts who are constantly sharing what's working. Let me address the pricing concern head-on. Yes, there's a monthly cost, but think about it this way. If better thumbnails increase your click-through rate by just 2%, and that leads to more views, more subscribers, and more monetization opportunities, the tool pays for itself immediately. I've seen creators double their channel growth just by improving their thumbnails. Pixels offers a trial where you can create your first 5 thumbnails completely free. No credit card required. This means you can test everything I've shared with zero risk. Create those 3 thumbnail variations for your next video, see the difference in click-through rates, and then decide if it's worth the investment. The content creation landscape is evolving rapidly. While other creators are still struggling with outdated design tools or paying premium prices for custom work, Early adopters are already leveraging AI to create professional quality thumbnails at scale. The question isn't whether AI will eventually dominate thumbnail creation, it's whether you'll be ahead of the curve or scrambling to catch up. I genuinely believe that 6 months from now, creators still manually designing thumbnails will be at a massive disadvantage. The efficiency, consistency, and quality that AI provides simply can't be matched by traditional methods, especially for solo creators or small teams. If you found this breakdown helpful and you're ready to revolutionize your thumbnail game, try Pixels using the link in my description. You can use code YVH for 30 days at just $1, which gives you access to the premium features to really test everything. And if you create something amazing, tag me on social media. I love seeing what the community builds. Remember, your thumbnail is the first impression your content makes. In a platform where millions of videos are uploaded daily, that first impression might be your only chance to capture someone's attention. Don't let amateur thumbnails be the reason great content goes unseen. The future of content creation belongs to those who embrace the tools that amplify their creativity rather than limit it. Pixels isn't just changing how I create thumbnails, it's changing how I think about visual storytelling entirely. And that, my friends, is what gives you the unfair advantage in this incredibly competitive space. What really sets Pixels apart isn't just its AI engine, but the way it's designed specifically for creators by creators. It understands the challenges we face, not just technically, but emotionally. The frustration of spending hours on something that doesn't convert. The disappointment of uploading a killer video that never gets traction. Pixels helps eliminate that bottleneck so you can focus on what really matters. Telling stories, building your community, and growing your brand. In fact, since adopting Pixels, my creative process has become more strategic. Instead of thumbnails being an afterthought, they're now a central part of my content planning. I think about the thumbnail before I even shoot the video, using it to define the narrative hook. This shift alone has boosted my workflow efficiency by over 30%. The ability to create a visual headline with just a few prompts has also opened new creative doors. This flexibility has helped me better understand my audience and what they respond to. And let's not forget mobile optimization. Pixels automatically optimizes for how thumbnails look on mobile, which is where over 70% of YouTube traffic comes from. That alone is a massive advantage most people overlook. Bottom line, Pixels isn't just a tool, it's a growth engine for your channel. And once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever manage without it. So what are your thoughts on this? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more such content.